Will I need any additional adapters or software to use a USB headset with Xbox One?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about a question that pops up quite often. Will I need any additional adapters or software to use a USB headset with Xbox One? We'll cover everything you need to know about using USB headsets with Xbox One.
What is a USB headset?
A USB headset is a combination of headphones and a microphone that connects to your devices via a USB port. They're commonly used for gaming, video conferencing, and other activities that require both audio input and output.
Can you connect a USB headset directly to Xbox One?
The answer to this question, unfortunately, is no. The Xbox One does not support direct USB audio connections. This means that you can't plug a USB headset directly into the USB port of the Xbox One and expect it to work.
How can you use a USB headset with Xbox One then?
The good news is that there are workarounds. You can use a USB headset with your Xbox One, but it involves using additional hardware, an adapter or a digital to analog converter, DAC. This device will take the digital signal from the USB headset and convert it into an analog signal that the Xbox One can interpret.
Do you need any additional software?
No, you don't need any additional software to use a USB headset with Xbox One. Once you have the correct hardware, the adapter or DAC, you should be able to just plug and play. While it's a bit more complicated than just plugging your USB headset directly into the Xbox One, it's certainly possible to use one with the console. You'll just need an adapter or DAC to make it work. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in understanding what you need to get your USB headset working with your Xbox One. Happy gaming!